In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide homes on Zillow. If you've ever hidden a property on Zillow and then tried to bring it back on a computer, you've probably noticed the web version doesn't offer the same simple Show Hidden Homes list that the mobile app does. The Hide feature is designed to remove a property from your search results and let you bring it back later. But most of the controls for that experience are centered around the mobile interface. On desktop, the option isn't always surfaced in the same way, which can be confusing. Here's the good news. Many times, the place you're trying to unhide isn't actually hidden. It may have just been unsaved or removed from your saved homes. When that's the case, you can restore it to your favorites quickly. Start by signing into Zillow.com with your account. Being signed in matters because your saved and hidden statuses live with your profile, not just your browser. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Depending on the layout, it might show your initial or a small avatar. Click that to open the account menu and choose Saved Homes. This is your personal collection of properties you've favorited. Inside Saved Homes, scan for the property you're missing. Sometimes a listing remains visible here, but is no longer marked as saved. You'll know this if the heart icon on the listing is hollow instead of filled. Click the heart to resave it. When the heart fills in, Zillow treats the property as saved again, which helps surface it in your experience and keeps it from feeling dismissed. If you have a search open in another tab, a quick refresh can make the change show up right away. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. Saving and hiding are different actions. Saving pins a property to your account so you can easily find it later. Hiding removes it from your search results feed. Because the desktop site doesn't consistently expose a dedicated hidden list, it's easy to assume a home is hidden when it was simply unsaved. Resaving it from your saved homes view is the easiest desktop-friendly fix. If you don't see the property under saved homes at all, it may still be in a hidden state that the web interface doesn't let you toggle directly. That behavior is expected on the desktop experience today. As Zillow updates the site, keep an eye out for any hidden label, filter, or toggle that might appear in your account area. And that's it. By checking your saved homes and resaving with the heart icon, you can often bring back homes you thought were gone.